How to open Scotia bank account online. To open your Scotia bank account online, just open your browser and go to scotiabank.com. I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below. Tap on the three lines icon located at the top right hand side, then tap on the option called bank account. Then you can see various type of bank accounts. So I'll tap on the view all button and you can see various types of account. I'll just select a random one for now by tapping on open an account option. When I've done that, on the next page, you can see, do you have any Scotiabank products? I will select no because I don't really have any. Then I'll select apply as a new customer. Are you a Canadian citizen? Tap on yes, then tap the continue button. Then after you've done that, these are all the things that you will need or have to be fulfilled before you fill in the form. And based on the type of bank account you're selecting, these requirements could change. Then what will you be using this account for? You can select that, then tap on the continue button. On the next page, you can see various other options where you have to fill in these details according to your legal information. So you can enter your title, legal name, middle name, and date of birth, and all of these options. Then once you've verified and the bank verifies the information, it will be able to register your account. That way you can open Scotia bank account online. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.